Welcome to the online exam system made by Clear Concepts Tutorials, a unique experience of giving tests by sitting at your desk. So let's explore the online test system that we have bought just for you. So this is our official website www.clearconcepttutorials.com, where you'll get all the information about our class, the teachers, sample tutorials, reviews and the results of our brilliant students. Now let's focus on the online test system. As you can see, we have an option here as online portals at right hand top corner of your screen. It contains exam-wise online exam option. By clicking on that, it will open our test system's login page. So once you have registered for our online test plan, you will get a mail which will include the login details like username and password for you. Now let's look into the system more. Once you log in into it, you'll get this interface which has different options. You should change your password after first login for security purpose. Now let's click on quizzes, which will open a page which will have the individual scheduled tests at that time. It will show all the information required like action, total marks, subject, time duration, title of the test, and your batch name. Now you can give any test for only one time. So by clicking on this option, Take Test, it will open a new window which will show all the information and notes for you before giving the test. Now let's agree to the instructions and start the exam. Now this will start the actual exam with the time limit set for it. It will show the questions and 4 options one by one, where you can choose your option, press next to go to next question, as simple as that. And if you are unsure about the answers, you can mark it for review or clear the answer. It will get updated in the right section in the summary. You can choose any questions to solve. After solving all the questions, you can hit the finish button to complete the test. It will calculate the marks and show your score in seconds with the graph of performance and time. You can solve any test for only one time. So log out after you are done. You can solve a test only when it is assigned as per time given to you. But you can access solved tests by logging at any time. In the analysis section, the performance system on the dashboard shows your correct, wrong and non-answered questions till date. After this, we have the graph which will show your best performance till today's test. We have made all this in the easiest way possible for our students. So join us for the online test course now. You can contact us from our website or can give us a warm visit anytime at our center. So let's learn and grow together.